Hi, I'm Annie Tran from the Marketing Department of Mega Digital, and today I'm super excited to share a step-by-step guide to getting started on TikTok Shop. Whether you're a small business owner or just looking to expand your online presence, TikTok Shop is where you want to be. So in this video, I'll be guiding you through everything from setting up your shop to boosting those sales. So let's jump in. Before we start, let's answer the big question. Is selling on TikTok Shop worth it? With over 1 billion active users globally, TikTok has a massive reach. Plus, TikTok's algorithm helps personalize recommendations, giving you a direct line to users who are likely to be interested in your products. This makes TikTok Shop an incredible tool for boosting your sales. Now let's break down some key benefits. First, you get access to TikTok's massive audience base. In the US alone, TikTok has 170 million active users. That's a huge pool of potential customers. Second, TikTok has an incredibly high conversion rate. 37% of users say they're likely to buy something that they see on the app right away. This means your products have a much better chance of selling here compared to other platforms. Before you set up your TikTok shop, let's make sure you're fully prepared. Here's a checklist of what you'll need. First, it's important to have the right business documentation. This includes things like your business license, tax ID, and registration documents. Getting these things ready will help you set up your process smooth and compliant with TikTok's policies. Next, think about your products and how you present them to everyone. Choose products that align with current trends on TikTok and be sure you have enough inventory to meet demand. Then, create high-quality product listings. This means clear images, concise descriptions, and accurate pricing. TikTok is a visual platform, so the quality of your images can make a big difference. And finally, make sure you have a solid shipping and logistics plan in place. Reliable delivery, easy returns, and attractive packaging all contribute to a positive customer experience and can turn first-time buyers into repeat customers. Alright, now let's dive into setting up your TikTok shop. I'll take you through 5 simple steps to get your store up and running. Step 1. Create a TikTok business account. If you're currently using a personal account, you want to switch it over to a business account. Just go to Settings, tap on Manage Account, and select Switch to Business Account. A business account gives you access to important features like analytics, ads, and of course, your TikTok shop. Step 2. Create your TikTok Shop Seller account. Go to the TikTok Shop Seller Center, where you can register with your business information. You need to submit some documentation to verify your business, but don't worry, this is a standard practice. And once approved, you'll be able to manage your products and orders directly from this dashboard. Moving on to Step 3, confirm your business details and upload any necessary documents. If you're an individual seller, you'll need to submit a personal identification, like a passport or driver's license. If you're setting up as a corporation, you'll also need a business license. Step 4, add products to your TikTok shop. Now it's time to build your catalog. Include a short but descriptive title and a compelling product description, and make sure your photos or videos are high quality and show off your product. This is where you can get creative. Add all the details that make your product stand out. And finally, Step 5, start creating content to promote your products. TikTok is all about engaging in creative videos. Try showing your products in use, highlight their unique features, and don't forget to use trending hashtags and music to increase visibility. Live shopping events are also a great way to connect with your audience in real time. Now you might be wondering, is TikTok Shop free? Let's talk about costs. Setting up a TikTok Shop Seller account is completely free, which is fantastic. However, there are a few fees to keep in mind for each transaction. TikTok charges a 1.8% transaction fee on each sale, and if you're selling internationally, there's a 2% currency conversion fee. Payment processing fees range from 1 to 2%, and there may be logistics fees if you use TikTok's shipping partners. It's a good idea to review the complete fee structure on TikTok's website to make sure you understand all costs involved. Having a clear understanding of these fees helps you budget and price your products effectively. Alright, now for some expert tips to help you boost your TikTok shop sales. These 7 strategies are designed to help you reach a wider audience and convert more visitors into customers. Now, tip number 1, set up the TikTok Pixel. This tracking tool helps you understand your customer behavior, which lets you optimize your ads and content. You can track who's viewing your products and measure how well your campaigns are working. Now for tip number 2, actively promote your shop on TikTok. Don't assume people will find your shop on their own. Regularly post on your TikTok to showcase your product catalog and give followers easy instructions on how to shop from you. Tip number 3, optimize your product listings with keywords relevant to your audience. This helps with searchability within TikTok's algorithm, which means more people can discover your products. Tip number 4, partner with influencers. Influencers on TikTok have dedicated followers who trust their recommendations. Find influencers whose audience matches your target market and consider collaborating with them to increase brand visibility. Tip number 5, encourage user-generated content. When customers post videos using your products, it builds credibility and creates a sense of community. Offer small incentives like discounts or giveaways to encourage people to share their experiences. Tip number 6, run contests and giveaways. This is a fantastic way to boost engagement and bring new followers to your page. Contests can include creating content with your products or simply tagging friends. And last but not least, maintain your shop health. This means providing good customer service, keeping listings updated, and making sure your shop complies with TikTok's policies. A well-maintained shop builds trust and keeps customers coming back. And that's it. Now you know how to set up and start selling on TikTok Shop, along with expert strategies to drive sales. TikTok Shop is an amazing opportunity to grow your business, and following these steps will put you on the path to success. Looking for even more tips and in-depth guides? Be sure to check out Mega Digital's blog, where we cover all things digital marketing and e-commerce. You'll find tons of resources to help you grow your online business. Thanks for tuning in to Mega Digital. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more e-commerce tips. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below and we'll be happy to help. Happy selling and see you next time.